Trap 50. So right now I'm walking to Frenchy's, where I used to have fun at, play around with my meat. So the chicken meat, I used to throw the chicken meat in the air, stuff like that. I do got money, but if I bought something, they would have thought that shit was like kind of mean, because they always give it to me for free. So I'm just gonna go up there, and there's a plastic bag on the ground with socks in it. Who the fuck wears socks? You know what I'm saying? Why'd you wear socks? One day, let me tell y'all about this. I was in Galveston with no socks. Actually, I had socks on, but I had a slide in Galveston like this. And whatchamacallit, the little seagull. The seagull was like this, and it was chirping and chirping and chirping and chirping. And every time I came down, it grabbed my slide, and what happened was, it flew to the other side. It flew away, really. Like, the slide was gone, and then it dropped it in mid-air. So how you gonna pick me up and drop me mid-air? Like I'm doing skydiving. Ooh, and let me tell you about the time I did go skydiving. I didn't. You know what I'm saying? My family went. You know, I call them my people because they're my people. But they went skydiving. Shit like that. Everybody diving into the water. So, I always wanted to go skydiving too. I just haven't did it. But right now, I'm finna stop right here in the middle of the road, talk about the pawn shop. So every day I woke up, so my auntie and uncle decided to drop off some shoes that clearly was not my size. You know what I'm saying? I didn't go to a size 12 when I was like, what? Fast forward a couple more days. Hey, what's up? Hey, bitches, you from the Metro. This is my Metro buddy. Can you drop me off at Frenchy's real quick, please?
Huh?
Can you drop me at Frenchy's right there?
I'm going that way.
You finna go that way? Yeah, just quick swerve for me. It's Frenchy's right there.
Where?
Frenchy's.
Where's that at?
Right there down the street, like 2 blocks down. I'll hop in real quick.
Just hop in the back.
Hey, my fam finna drop me off at Frenchy's, y'all. Hey, welcome to the TV show. Hey, you trying to be in the show?
TV show?
Yeah, I'm live streaming.
You live streaming right now?
Yeah, look.
I see. That's crazy. How many people you got, bro?
Hey, tell them you know how to do Metro scams and you know how to sell phones.
Damn, I don't know about that.
Man, hey, you can search me on YouTube.
YouTube? Let me put you on right now.
Bet. So, right now this is a personal recording, but you're gonna see me on there. I might as well start it. You're gonna see the video. I got 1,058K. You're gonna be the next subscriber. Shit, luckily I have 159.
I got you.
Bet. All you gotta do is type in TRAP.
TRAP?
Shifty. Where you finna go?
I was gonna go get some food.
Type shit.
But I was trying to see what to get to, you know.
Oh yeah.
Frenchy?
Hey, we breaking the law, what the fuck? Hey, we just hit this swerve. You could've went straight down too. We just hit the
not too much.
We ain't trying to scare y'all right now. We just hit a little curve, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna pop back up to my old job where I used to work at. It's right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Hell yeah, you did right. You know what I'm saying? You hit that little block. That's how you hit it.
What they sell in there?
Catfish and chicken.
Yeah, let me get some chicken from there, right?
Chicken and fries, shit.
Okay,
Alright.
you think you can hook me up or what?
Alright, let me go in there and see if they hook me up, and then I got you. I'll come back out with it.
Bet.
Hey, we live with Metro.
Hell yeah.
I told y'all Metro the truth. Man, I've been going to Metro since a youngin'. So I'm finna go in here and get this free food, and we're gonna come back out and give it to Metro. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? I just pulled up to Metro. Metro Frenchy's, whatever you want to call it. Lately I've been getting rides from people out of nowhere. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you see me, you want to give me a ride, don't give me a ride. I got a car. I just like walking around. This is my catfish and fries. How you doing?
I'm alright.
Alright.
I'm sick.
Oh,
Yeah.
type shit. COVID. I just seen my catfish and fries today. You know what I'm saying? Why you looking at me like I'm...
What's up? What you want? You finna buy some meat? You finna make my sales go up?
What you want?
You finna make my sales go up?
We finna go on the
You finna buy
date.
wing dinner?
I got you. What you trying to get?
Me.
I want some catfish and fries. I want some fish and fries.
Go buy.
She forcing me to buy this meal, and I used to work here. Why do I gotta buy the meal?
You
I used
worked
to
here
work
when you
here.
did. You was a piece of shit. What's up?
Oh, she gonna talk to me like this. That's dangerous. You was acting the same way. Every time I came up here,
You still
she was
here?
being stingy with the chicks.
You
What?
still here?
Yeah. When can I clock in?
Get out of here.
Nah, I'm for real. All right.
What's up, Jay?
Let me go to the front. What's up, man?
Don't be messing with my employees. They working. If you ain't buying nothing, what?
What? You work here too? Damn, let me call you piece of shit. I'm gonna go to the second window so I can see what the employees doing
One
today.
of my old employees, he ain't last 48 hours.
Some fish and fries.
What you end up getting?
So y'all. So I'm just coming in here. I'm walking around.
A 40 stack. What's that, a G?
Miss P. What you was doing
You rolled
New
on one
Year's?
phone. One phone.
Nah, that's what a piece of shit is. Alright.
What color did you
She on the phone. We're gonna let her talk.
That black.
I didn't know you like green Gatorade. She be feeling it, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
That's bad.
Alright, bro. So, you know, I didn't even know he saw me.
Wash it clean.
He just walked out like he didn't know what the real business is. God bless our business.
How much is the damn truck? How many miles on it? 120 miles? 120,000 miles.
He gave me a pickup, catfish and fries. He said, what? He said, what you coming to get? This is catfish and fries. That's it.
Well, you know,
I
you
really
can keep
should,
your maintenance
but
up.
I'm not going to do that. There's a manager lady around. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's a close call. That's what you don't do. So if y'all ever want to go to somewhere like this, Metro Frenchy's, do not talk to the manager
Are you there?
if you want to get the job. That's a nice way not to get fired. Hey, so how you ever going to get the job if you don't talk to the manager? So, shit. Better talk to the manager. You gotta act like a sergeant.
How you got $3.06 and I left $200 on there, Jay?
I know Davey I'm never gonna spend his money, but one night I will. On a female, we're just gonna be on the date and we're gonna do little petty things and talk about each other.
That's why I like to get my stuff first. That's why I like to get the car first, because I know what I'm doing.
So then yet again, I'm gonna come up here late night, chop it up with the bride.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. You letting me know that I ain't even got what I got on now.
I'm looking at the football game on the TV. I'm trying to get these fish and fries. You know what I'm saying? Lucky Charm just walked in. Lucky Charm grandma. Lucky Charm dude. This Lucky Charm dude. Was trying to piss some metal on his purse.
All right, well, drop the card off at Frenchy's. I'm up here. All right.
I was thinking about talking to the manager, but I'm finna do that. I know you like green Gatorade. What's the difference? Why didn't you just get a blue one? That ain't even the organic kind. Miss P, you know I started a YouTube.
Why you still here?
I'm just chilling.
And you don't see me talking to my papa?
Oh, this is your man's? I didn't know that. Papa is another word for man's. Translation. Dang. Hey, I'm finna start talking to my manager. Clearly she upset. I want to ask her if she smokes cigarettes, but I'm not finna do that. You know what I'm saying?
Special. It's done on the weekend.
I would have wanted, you know what I'm saying?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
I would have gave her one.
Oh. I ain't have $22 on that.
Damn, they're like, damn, boy, you Sherm. Hey, don't be calling me Sherm outside in the streets. Alright? Just be like, they be on. So,
Like I went over last time.
let me go walk up to the building
Well, I thought I went over.
and see what we got going.
But I didn't go over the groceries. I went over because I'm off the turkey and
I really don't want to buy this food. It make people look bad. It make me look bad because I'm sitting here looking at the shit, and I don't want to pay for it. I just can't. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna make sure buddy got the fish going. I'll calm him down when you get over here. I know he got some fish. And my ride's still outside. So I'm not gonna run my mission talking to this man. Talking to this dude or whoever he is. I'm trying to get the fish and fries. And clearly I don't want to spend no money. That shit kinda weird.
Okay.
The manager always trying to make me spend some bread. Damn, you smiling at that kid? I'm gonna talk to her though. What's up? Can I get some fish and fries? I told him.
Hey.
Hey, remind him for me, alright?
Close that door.
Hey, close this door. You know this door not supposed to be open? I used to work here.
So what happened when you're wrong?
Somewhere. Okay, y'all, I can't even talk right now. You know what? You might as well not. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of energy going inside my body, which is keeping me from buying this food. You know, once you start buying food, you start being addicted. And you start not buying more. More what you wanted. So this is gonna be a pretty good video. As y'all can see, I got my drip on. I threw on my hoodie. I was like, I'm gonna walk outside and look nice. That's what I'm saying. Can't be talking good about yourself in front of the guys, though. It's like a question mark. A little thing going on. Kids watching my TV shows. Mom's getting mad. I don't know what people other people do. But Token, look, hold on. That's what I hold on. You know what? I'm gonna think about my fee when I come back, when I get my food stamps. I'm gonna end up selling my food stamps to her and get some money. So that's a good thing. Why my people want me to get food stamps. I don't know why, but I'm gonna get it. So let me go to this first one up. Looking at it. Can I get some fish and fries? Throw me something new. I used to work here. The manager said it's good. Yeah, they keep looking at me crazy like, damn, what the fuck? Yes, she can hook me up. Some chicken fries. You know you gotta be polite. It should say R. What the fuck? R. You know, I'm like holding my phone up. But that's the main. Damn, they making me work for these fries. I did do that. I do my chores still, you know what I'm saying? I always clean the house up. So what you talking about? You know what I'm saying? I do things for a pretty good cause. We all waiting on food. Let me take a seat. There's not enough seats. You know what I'm saying? When I used to work, I didn't like people working over me. So I guess that's what the business was. But really, I was working around people. And then one night, I damn near got some grease on my arm. And it started burning my arm for a little minute. Like 2 times in a row. I was splashing the grease. Double chicken. Crazy chicken. So, you know, Metro is still outside. I'm not going to tell him when I'm coming out. I'm going to wait till I get the food. And he should give me his number or something so we could meet up later. He's going to be so angry. Because he is hungry than a bitch. But that matters to me. But the food clearly here. They're making it, so it's gonna be hot. I might as well buy the fish and fries right after I get the free one. You know what I'm saying? I really do. I be irritating people. But this should be nice for a little view. So you are getting free food, just to let you know. This stuff gonna come out quick, I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be. So who knows what could be going on. The truth of the matter. So I'm staring at my manager. I know I shouldn't do it, but I'm doing it. So I get my job back. You really just gotta wait on him. say this: whenever you're around a lot of people, people you know, you gotta get used to the energy so that it can build back potential in the friendship. Maybe activities that you're gonna be in later. All right.
Green cornbread.
So listening to myself, I don't know how I embrace to talk to myself. Well, I'm not going to take that back. I just embrace myself and learn how to speak through existence with my second conscious, my second mind, my third mind, and my fourth leg. You know what I'm saying? I just do these things often and clearly so y'all can hear me. Ooh. One of the players on the Broncos just hit a touchdown. Ooh, he just got a sack. They pushing the Jaguars 5 yards back to the field where they scored at. So that's an intentional score on the plate. So somehow, some days, I don't know, this place get packed every time I walk in it. Literally. Maybe it could be me or the females. I think it's the females. People don't like saying this. They do. How the fuck can I do that? She just called somebody order out. I hope she called mine, sorry, but what's your number? Pull up every day. Talk about this shit. Like you in jail or something. Man, they make her seem like a jailmate. Even though she is. It's P. Okay, dude. You gotta do it. It's P. I'm still waiting for catfish and fries. What? You're funny. Dude, they do not want you to buy that food. So stop trolling. But I'm still focused on the lunch date for tonight. I know you can't for somebody shit. But who is it? It's me. There is no two. It's the other you. Miss P. The Mexican broad just walked in. What's she finna order? Somebody must be here to go buy Frenchy's.
Hello. What you want? What you want?
Can I get a 2-piece dark
Big box.
with
Yeah, I'm a big fan of it.
swirl?
I'm a fan of him. 15 bucks. She finna get on their ass.
And then
Because when I was back there, I was getting that food done fast. See what I'm saying? Why they fired me? They fucking around. Not even making food. God knows what. You know what I'm saying? Another man just walked in. Look like a DoorDash order. If I buy this food, I'm telling them they go home. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna buy his food. I'm just go out there and tell them they didn't do it. I'm not gonna buy this food and walk my ass out.
Like 2-piece dark, can I get 2 dark?
So what it lady on?
You know what?
I
Yeah,
told you at 3 o'clock you can go down with it.
I'm gonna do that. I'm just buy
Where
it.
is it? By the extra being paid.
You know what I'm saying?
You put 30 cents inside of a box.
They be on. I used to work here.
If it fit in that box,
I was getting that food out fast.
stuff.
Yeah.
30 wings.
You know what I'm saying? I just hate that she had to get on their ass and keep telling them this every day. What's your name? I'm finna come back in. But this time, I'm gonna buy it, alright? I'll be back. Oh, this nigga's gone. No, bro. That nigga did. So, let me just buy my food. You know what I'm saying? Dang, Chef Shifty. Y'all always make me do this. The stuff that I like. So hopefully I can get a fish meal. Let me take my time with it.
15 Big Mix.
You know what I'm saying? They got fish? Oh, with fries. I didn't even know we had that. Y'all, so when I used to come in for work, I never looked at the menu.
Don't forget the lady had fish too. Yeah. What's that?
This me.
What you doing? Who?
I'm on the phone, Miss P. This me on my live stream.
Where your receipt?
Right here. I don't got a
What's
receipt.
wrong?
I'm finna buy that.
Ring him up. He gonna buy it.
You know what? I'm gonna let Miss P talk.
No, he didn't pay for it yet.
So I'm with my manager, Miss P.
1171.
Dang, bro. So currently, let me find my money.
Tap.
This shit gotta be buckets. How much? You don't gotta repeat it. I'm gonna spend this money. Here you go. I just spent $12 and it's out of the mall. I told y'all they're making me spend money. Hey, throw me a drink on the side, and I'm gonna just grab the drink and go.
What?
Throw me a drink on the side, and I'm gonna grab it and go.
Your order is already ready.
No.
What do you think?
So I just got some food. I'm gonna stop talking. Man, what is this? Oh, the 30 cent fan.
Give me a spicy drink. What's that?
Just give me the Sprite.
Yeah,
I just got this.
When you receive?
Right here.
What you got? Oh, hello. That's how you supposed to do.
There you got it. Why you don't want to change this, P? Alright. So I'm gonna just leave the change right here.
Yeah, I know you keep playing on my top.
With the receipt. Appreciate it.
Yeah,
So,
girl, I don't want to eat for free, but just
hey.
first food.
Y'all tell me good morning every time I come in. Be like, good morning. It ain't? Alright. Hey, you got my Instagram?
Oh, yeah.
Let me make sure I got yours.